Hello, Reynoldsburg seniors. Today I'm going to show you how to log in to Naviance so you can complete your Gear Up Scholarship Survey. The first thing you're going to do is go to your student homepage. From there, you're going to click on the Naviance button that is right here. Once you have done that, you're going to log into Naviance. This should be your Clever user ID and password, or your Reynoldsburg email and your student ID number. Once you've gotten logged in, your page should look similar to this. From here, you're going to click on the About Me, and then you're going to scroll down to Surveys from your school. Here you will click on the 2022 Gear Up Ohio Scholarship and complete the survey that is listed there. Once you have submitted that, you are done and good to go, and somebody will reach out to you if they need any other information. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your school counselor, and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you.